Silence became my identity. People knew me as the quiet one, the one who never spoke, the one who always listened. But inside, I was screaming to be heard, screaming to be free. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu for daily English confidence stories. My journey from silence to confidence wasn't easy. It wasn't fast, but it was real, and it changed my life forever. For 12 years, I was silent, not by choice, but by fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of sounding different, fear of being judged. I attended English classes but never participated. I watched English videos but never practiced speaking. I dreamed of being confident but never took action. Until one day, my silence cost me something important. A friendship. I met someone who spoke only English. We tried to connect, but every time she spoke to me, I just nodded and smiled. I understood her, but I couldn't respond. After a few weeks, she stopped trying. She thought I wasn't interested, but the truth was, I was too afraid to speak. Losing that friendship broke something in me. I realized that my silence wasn't protecting me. It was isolating me, keeping me trapped, keeping me alone. That day, I made a commitment. I would break my silence, step by step, word by word. I would find my voice. I started with the mirror. Every morning, I stood there and spoke about anything, everything. Today I feel sad, but I will not give up. I will practice. I will improve. I am stronger than my fear. Then I practiced reading. Simple stories, children's books. I read them out loud, focusing on each word. I also used shadowing. I found English speakers online and copied them. Their tone, their pace, their confidence. My routine was simple. Morning, 5 minutes talking to myself. Afternoon, 10 minutes reading practice. Evening, 10 minutes shadowing. Every single day.
No breaks. No excuses.
After 3 months, I joined an online English group. My first time speaking to strangers. My hands were shaking. My voice was trembling. But I introduced myself. Hello, my name is... I am learning English. Please be patient with me. People were kind. They encouraged me. They told me I was doing great. And slowly, my confidence grew. 6 months later, I was having full conversations in English. Not perfect, but confident. Not fluent, but free. The silence was gone. The fear was smaller. And my voice was finally heard. Here's what I want you to understand. Confidence doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from being consistent, from showing up every day, from practicing even when it's hard. You might be silent now, but you don't have to stay that way. Your journey from silence to confidence starts with one decision. The decision to speak. Stand up, find a mirror, and speak one sentence. I am breaking my silence today. That's all you need to start. One sentence, one moment, one brave step. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu and transform your silence into strength. Because you have a voice, you have power, and you deserve to be heard. Start today. Speak today. Grow today. Your confident future is waiting.